Good day everyone. Welcome to my first tutorial for YouTube creation. I have a member who asked me to make something about this, so this is my first presentation. Please, if you like it, give it a like and support me so that I can do some more in the future. So today I'm going to show you how I make my thumbnails. Now it's not going to be how you gonna make your thumbnails, but instead of letting YouTube do your thumbnails however they please, I think it's a good idea to know how to make something that's at least presentable. And I use this website called Canva.com, and I'm not going to go through how to create an account because account creation is kind of trivial, right? So what you do now, once you set up the account, you see that there's a bunch of designs, some templates, and a bunch of other stuff. Now you can explore them however you like, but the first thing I'll do here is I'll do YouTube thumbnails right there. Now the suggested, it already says something, and there's also beauty YouTube thumbnail, tutorial YouTube thumbnail, but I'm kind of lazy, so let's do just generic YouTube thumbnail, and I'm gonna stop blank. Usually the way I do this is I'm just gonna take a frame out of my videos, and I'll just put a caption on it. But ideally, you should take a dedicated picture, just like this one right here. I recently took a trip to Coney Island, and I had my Luna card, but the gate is closed. I couldn't use it, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take this picture right here, and then I also had another video. I think it's at the end of the walk right here. That right here. So this is where I do the thumbnail. Now let me show you how to do capture a picture in this software. Okay, so this software is called VLC Media Player, and when you playing the video and you got to the frame you like, let's say you take this one here, right? You right click on the frame and you choose video and then hit. All right, give me 1 second, something is missing. All right, let's just stop back. All right, now all right, let's go back. Alright, so I had some unknown technical difficulty here. So you right click on the video and then you choose video and then you choose snapshot, take snapshot. Now it says it's saved to your picture location, and you go to your picture folder. That's where it's saved as default, and there we go. So this is the picture that I saved. So I went to the Discord channel and asked people which one you like better between this one or this one, and people said this one is better, so I'm gonna use this one. Now this is where my part comes in, right? Once you get the screen cap, or if you separately take a picture when you are at the location, then you drag this over here, and it automatically download and put this thing in the center. You drag it until you got the frame you need. I'll try to make some space so I can write something on it. And so now here you think about a caption, right? So come to text. There are a couple ways to do this. I mean, this is where you get to be a little creative. You could use the font combination that they already preset. So let's say use this one, and I just put it down right here. So let's think of a message, right? And now you know that people are gonna see your thumbnail and they will read the text. Do put some text there because people will read it, but you don't want it to be part of your title because the thumbnail will be presented along with the title, so you don't need to repeat what you say in the title, but instead you say something else like let's say, can't get in. I can't get in. And then put a subtitle somewhere. Let's say I'm just gonna try to double click this, delete this, and put whatever you want in there really. You just put down Coney Island boardwalk, and I usually put a date somewhere. and that's 830 2020, and move it, resize it however you like. So you want to get some good amount of space so you can put your message in, and make sure it's as big as you can so it's readable, right? Now let's say if you want to have it much bigger, but now your message is kind of hard to read, you can pick your color to make that choose a color that can be read. Or there's another trick to what I do is to put a background shape in the back, and then right click, send backward, and then give it a little transparency. So now you get a little background, then you can read the text. So now it makes it a little readable, right? All right. So you know what? I'm satisfied. This is good. So now you hit download, and now even though it suggests you choose a PNG format, you should choose JPG. JPEG is mandatory because a PNG file will be too big, and it will and YouTube will reject it for the size. So save as JPEG, download it. All right, now you go to the download folder, you get this. All right, now here's the next. I'll go to your videos and edit. So now come to your description, your YouTube studio. All you need to do, again, you don't have to do anything elaborate. Again, all you need to do is just drag this guy right here and hit save. So that's it. Hopefully you like this tutorial. So make sure you leave a comment, like, and share the video if you think it will help other people, and make sure you subscribe. If you let me know, I may do more of these tutorials in the future, and have a good day. What if you don't have the right software to that allows you to take the snapshot? Or what if something happened, there's a technical issue, and VLC Media Player doesn't let you take a snapshot, right? So here's what you do. There's another tool you can use. It's called the snipping tool, and if you have Windows 10 or anything recent, you should have that. Mac will have something else. So let me bring my snipping tool window in. Hit new, and then you just round up as much area as you can, and then you just save it. Then you can proceed with canvas.com as normal.